Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews and insights into the latest tech and accessories. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss, the ISABAKE 26mm silicone strap designed for Garmin Fenix series smartwatches. It's packed with features and promises to enhance your smartwatch experience. First off, let's talk about compatibility. This strap is designed to fit a wide range of Garmin Fenix models, including the Fenix 7X, Fenix 6X, Fenix 5X, and more. It even works with the Epix Pro 51mm, Instinct 2X, and Tactix 7 Pro, making it versatile for various Garmin watches. One standout feature is its unique design. The ISABAKE strap comes with air holes, perfect for sports enthusiasts. It's made of premium hypoallergenic silicone, ensuring it's lightweight, comfortable, and won't irritate your skin. Plus, it has a smooth finish for that sporty look. The strap features a fold-over magnetic closure, a significant upgrade from traditional hook metal buckles. This magnetic clasp is not only secure but also adds an elegant touch to your smartwatch. It's super convenient and easy to snap on. Adjustability is essential, and this strap has you covered. It's suitable for wrist sizes ranging from 6.1 inches to 9.1 inches. The sliding mechanism allows you to tailor the fit to your liking, ensuring comfort during any activity. With a variety of colors available, including gray, black, white, red, yellow, blue, and army green, you can choose the one that matches your style or activity. Whether you're going for a bold look or something more understated, there's an option for you. Let's talk more about the magnetic clasp. It's not only secure but also incredibly convenient. Once you've sized the strap to your wrist, you can effortlessly take your watch on and off without any fuss. It's a time saver, especially when you're in a hurry. Durability matters when it comes to a watch strap, especially for outdoor activities. The ISABAKE strap is designed to withstand sports like running, yoga, hiking, swimming, and surfing. It's built to last, so you won't have to worry about wear and tear. In terms of package dimensions, it measures 5.91 by 1.97 by 0.39 inches and weighs just 0.71 ounces. It's lightweight and won't add unnecessary bulk to your wrist. Checking out customer reviews, it's clear that users are loving this strap. It's received a perfect 5-star rating from satisfied customers who praise its comfort, adjustability, and magnetic clasp. In conclusion, the ISABAKE 26mm silicone strap for Garmin Fenix smartwatches is a fantastic addition to your wearable tech. Its compatibility, unique design, magnetic clasp, and durability make it a standout choice for anyone seeking an upgrade. If you're tired of dealing with traditional watch straps and want something that combines style and functionality, the ISABAKE strap is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's product critique review. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.